Are you tired of various complex file transfer processes between your Android device and Windows PC? Well, Google has a solution for you. File transfer has never been this easy. Just open your PC browser and type nearby share PC. Click on the first link. Then get started with beta. Downloading will start. Install it. Once installation is complete, open nearby share. Make sure receive from everyone is set. Now simply drag and drop any file or folder you want to transfer. Your phone will not be visible if some settings are not changed. From your phone, open nearby share. Then turn on visible to nearby devices and set to everyone. Once your phone is visible to nearby share PC, click on it to begin transfer. From your phone, tap on accept. You can also share files by right-click on it and send it with nearby share. Now, to send files from phone to PC, go to File Manager and select the file, then share or send via nearby share. Your PC name will be on phone, just tap on that. Accept from PC. You can sign in nearby share PC via your Google account. Then you don't have to accept files. Files will be received automatically. Make sure your phone and PC are in same network. Otherwise there will be a Bluetooth transfer and speed will be like this. Thanks for watching till the end. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.